Okay, this Husky. Husky, yay, Cougars, yay!
Husky.
I'm sure.
I should have. I have my football jerseys and all that. I should have said, yeah, we don't even acknowledge these universities. They're not high enough class.
Oh, this is a joke. This is a joke. I hope this is a joke. You guys are all here. It's not. You did come to my room.
I want to see what happened so we can forget it.
Videoing you little turds.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
They did some into my room. I know it. I hope so, because I'm pissed.
Well, you can always teach another class.
Oh, you left. Not okay. No, you. I was like, why are they all doing it? I'm like pissed. Like, I'm teaching in my room.
This would be good.
No, this is disgusting.
I didn't know you had a store.
You got all this stuff.
Who did this? Not okay. Not okay.
Husky can't dance.
You got all this.
I'll turn them against you.
Yeah, no kidding. Sticking wrappers everywhere.
This would be funny.
We need all staff to report to room 305. Vandalism in room 305. Please report to room 305.
Would you have them go to their store over
I
and
was
bring
in
it?
minutes. I'm like, I want to have fun right now. In 5 minutes, you got me with a note on my door. There's some custodian broke glass. They can't clean it up.
Is it, do you have a doorstop?
Who
Oh,
did this?
I have no idea. It's in my room.
Oh my gosh, this is a room of learning, finally! That needs to go in our evaluation. Look at the beauty that is in this room.
Oh, this ugly husky
It only
clothing.
took 1 year and 3 months, but apparently she finally got the picture. Peer pressure works.
Nice.